The panoramic views are incredible. The sounds are unique. Modern Art Oxford has commissioned a sound sculpture specifically for the building.
This is a new piece by an artist called Susan Phillips, who we've commissioned to make a new sound work in the quite remarkable Radcliffe Observatory here at Green Templeton College. And it's a piece where Susan has literally taken an idea from Marconi, an incredibly evocative idea that once sounds are released into the atmosphere, into the world, they never actually die. And it's a work whereby we're actually transmitting from Modern Art Oxford across the city into the observatory. And Susan has taken radio interval signals from across the world. She's playing them on vibraphone that give it an incredible kind of eclectic, spacey feel. And audiences can listen to the building quite literally chime.
Unfortunately, you don't have long to enjoy this wonderful space, as the exhibition closes on Thursday at 5 p.m. But if you can find the time, it's well worth a visit.
It's really good idea to use the space, especially today. I've got a nice weather. When I'm here, I feel really calming and I find a bit of peace of looking in the scenery and enjoying the music.
It's a magnificent building. I've often seen it from the Woodstock Road, but never been in. And it's just wonderful. I like the combination of the building and the music. It's terrific.
The exhibition is open to the public between 2 and 5 p.m. at Green Templeton College on the Woodstock Road for the next 2 days. Tim Beder, BBC Oxford News.